Hey guys, what's up? I want to welcome you back to my channel, and for those of you who this is your first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. Let's do a few things before we get into this video. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed, so that you can go ahead and join this wonderful family. Also want you to hit that bell button so you can receive notifications every time I upload a video. And I like dabbling in makeup. It's gender fluid. Americas, we say no, makeup is for women. Well, there's makeup out there for men, believe it or not, and it is the same type of makeup that is packaged for women, only it's repackaged, and maybe the formula is tweaked since we have a little thicker skin for men, but it's ultimately the same thing, and it's the same makeup brands who are doing this. I like makeup. I want to share it with the world because I'm sure I'm not the only one that likes makeup. For that. Right now we're talking about Maybelline's Superstay 24-hour foundation. I picked this up at CVS and I got it for $14 at CVS. So I'm gonna shake this up, which I don't think it needs any shaking because I think it's super thick. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna use one pump, okay? Angled foundation brush. I'm gonna take the foundation brush and I'm just gonna go over the tattoo. Crazy. And I'm going to put the number of shades that they have available down in the description box below. I'm going to put the names of the shades, and I'm going to pull a full description from the Maybelline website, and I'm also going to include it down below in the description box. The only reason why I didn't do it this time is because I didn't want to make this video so lengthy. I just wanted to get down to the nitty-gritty, which is the product. I mean, that's great if I can use the product for me and apply it, but what you really are interested in seeing in a video is the name of the product and the information. You can always go on the website and get it, but you want to see it in action. You want to see, does it really work? Should I spend my money on it, or should I not spend my hard-earned money on it and get something that actually works, or stick with something that I'm comfortable with and I know how to work until something actually comes out, if ever that does what it says. To let you see it. So there you go. Now it's gone. It's like completely gone. This is crazy. Oh my god, it's gone. That's crazy. I'm like, wow. Let's see if I can do it on another tattoo. I'm gonna have to, let's see. I have a tattoo right here. So I'm gonna take the same e.l.f. angled brush, and the bit that I squeezed, this is still the one pump that's on my hand that I squeezed out before, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some on here and just see if it covers up, how it works with the colors. So 3 pumps definitely covered the tattoo. And of course you would go and you would add powder to it. So look at that. That's crazy. Maybelline Superstay. You know, pardon the light and everything. I'm working on it. I promise you. So I am going to do 2 pumps of the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. I'm going to take the same e.l.f. angled foundation brush, and I'm going to do half of my face with the angled foundation brush, and the other half I'm going to do with my beauty blender. take the e.l.f. beauty brush, the Ultimate Beauty Brush, which I love this brush, by the way, and blend it out. Full coverage. Like, whoa. If you had this in your arsenal, this would be all you need. Applying it with the brush or applying it with the beauty blender, it worked. So big thumbs up, and wow, you did a great job, Maybelline. You really did. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see me review any other products, or if you have an idea for a video, or share your thoughts about the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation if you've purchased it, or leave a comment down below if you will purchase it. And don't forget to go to the 2018 prize giveaway video, and the results will be out on February 20th. I hope you enjoyed this video and have an awesome day.